Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get pencil lantern and fish it game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how you can get it, I'm going to show you how the pencil lantern looks like. This one, I'm using the pencil lantern right now. And if you want to unlock the pencil lantern, you need to go to the classic school at the classic island. And you're going to talk to the principal to get locker keys for free. You will get 3 locker keys and you can use it to open up the locker. And if you're lucky guys, you will get the pencil lantern. As you can see here that you have 20% chance to get this pencil lantern. I'm going to open up the lantern. Oh, I got 500 ticks. And let me open up another locker. Okay, dodge hat and locker 4. Okay, ticks again. And yeah, that's it. Or if you want to get more locker keys, you can try to fish here. And you will have chance to get the locker key to open up more lockers. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the pencil lantern and fish it game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.